Hello, my name is Eric Sheely, and my presentation is titled Urban Planning and the Public, Communication Error. Urban planners are in contact with the public frequently, and unfortunately not all of these communications go well. Why is this, and how can urban planners make the most out of these opportunities? Why is there a disconnect? One reason is that there is a lack of trust. According to Susan Fiske, trust can be a very complicated thing to maintain. Trust also requires consistency over time. Reasons that public may not trust urban planners are many, although redlining and gentrification are two that stand out. Redlining is a form of discrimination that eliminates services, such as finance options, for residents of areas based on race or ethnicity. This was implemented in many cities in the United States. It hurt many communities by eliminating things like mortgages, insurance, loans, and other things like that to entire communities. The practice has been outlawed in the 1970s, but discrimination continues to occur. This has broken the trust of many communities when improvements are being planned. Gentrification is another major factor in the public not trusting planners. Gentrification is a complex and it stems from redlining. To put it simply, it's a displacement of people from a certain area due to a city redeveloping this area. This can affect people negatively, and many would say it destroys neighborhoods. Usually wealthy white people move into an area that was mostly settled by people of color. This causes the price of everything to rise, and the historic population has to leave. This causes dissent and a lack of trust for developers, planners, and governmental officials. Other things that have caused a disconnect between the public and urban planners is language. Planners, like many professions, have their own language, and when this is used while talking to the public, it can cause confusion and misunderstanding. Garbage language is one of the languages that I'm speaking about. Garbage language is used by planners to cut through intricacies when speaking with other planners. This might work then, but urban planners need to remember to turn this off when communicating to the public. It can cause confusion with its vagueness and even create a sense of elitism that may turn people off to important ideas. Besides changing the way urban planners talk to the public, there are new technologies being incorporated to bridge the communication gap, such as City Dashboard, My City Forecast, and the use of Citizen GIS. These technologies can be used by the public to follow projects, give feedback, and see where the future of their city is going. Urban planners can also be more efficient communicators by telling the story of a neighborhood and not ignoring the historic past. Sometimes it can be easy to have big ideas and plans for a neighborhood, but have they taken the people who live there and their histories for granted? By recognizing these important things, trust may be regained. By creating historic districts such as San Francisco's Chinatown or Japantown, or the soon-to-be redesignated Denver Little Italy neighborhood, it can give people a sense of pride and belonging. This can work to the advantage of an urban planner. Urban planners must choose. Do they want to keep doing things the way they always have and constantly hit roadblocks? Or do they want to learn how to be better communicators by using new technology and working with the public? Thank you.